Alright, so I'm gonna dilly dally a little. I'm going outside to color. Yeah, I'm one of those coloring adults. I'm gonna go outside and color. This was inspired by Asia. Yeah, Asia. I'm gonna tag her. She did this, and I said I had to do this. So I'm gonna go to TGI and go and color because I haven't been there yet. I want to see what the ambiance is like here in Portmore. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna just do a light little face to just look like that girl outside. And so I put on my retinol last night, so I definitely have to do my sunscreen. So I'm using the Neutrogena Beach Defense 70%. Yeah, I might need to reapply, but we'll think about that. But I need to do at least a little bit of protection, which you also need to do every day. I'm going to be using the NYX brow glue to laminate my brows. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that through my brows and brush them up. As you can see, my brows were recently shaped, so that will make it a lot easier. So I'm gonna do that, let it dry down, and then shape them up a little. So I did a little NARS concealer under my brows, and now I'm just gonna fill it in a little bit, especially at the tail end where I took off a little bit too much, and just trying to make them look like they're related. So I'm just applying my the Nesamarex Yummy Skin Primer. This is the water powder serum. This helps with oiliness, and seeing that I'm gonna be outside because I think I'm gonna go on the patio area and color. I'm just gonna do that and ensure that my skin doesn't get oily. So I'm gonna let that dry down. Taking my NARS Soft Matte Foundation, and I'm going to apply that to my skin. That's what I'm going to be using as my foundation today, and I'm going to be using it to carve out my brows. And this is like, as I say, soft matte, so it's gonna look skin-like, but it's gonna hold up along with the water primer, the water powder serum, to make my skin not get too oily being outside and in the sun. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna apply that. And for my skin, I don't need a lot because I do my skincare and keep up with the routine, so I don't have much hyperpigmentation, and that's why I suggest you doing your sunscreen.
Do it. This was the best decision ever because they can offer ancient travels. You don't need the help on booking now.
So now I'm taking my Made by Mitchell Curve Case, and I'm using where's the that's the name, this orange color here as my blush today. And this is so pigmented. I'm just gonna, if you know me, I love a blush, so I don't mind putting it on, and I'm gonna drape it into my eyes a little because I'm not gonna be doing much on the eyes. So yeah, and this might look like a lot, but when I put those powders on, because I'm not gonna be applying any blush powder, it's gonna all be melted in and look very much okay. I'm gonna take my NARS Laguna eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply that all over the lid. It's just gonna give me a hint of shimmer because it's just like a bronzy with a little bit of gold flakes. That's all I'm putting on my eyes. Of course, I'm gonna put on mascara. Not putting on any lashes because I'm not in the mood, so I'm gonna be using my Maybelline New York Sky High Mascara, and this is in waterproof, and this will just do what it needs to do, bring my eyes to life and lengthen and show those lashes that I do have and make a big difference. Because if you're a lash girl, you know you always feel like you have to do lashes, but you don't necessarily do with the right mascara. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Too Faced Born This Way in caramel and put a little bit, I took out a little, and put that under the eyes just to brighten the eyes a little bit more. Easy now, and the middle of the forehead. Yeah, we're not doing a lot, but we still want to, you know, look put together. Look like we did something. You see how that mascara just opens up my eyes? Love it. I love this tool, and if you saw my little review before, I have to say you must try it, you must get it, because it is definitely a lifesaver. You don't have to use this in something like a kit, but just to have personally, because I can just flip it over and use it, wash it, and go again. But this is definitely one of those products that I love. So now the under eyes are bright. I'm setting my under eyes with the Milani mineral powder, and yes, that is bright, because that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. Now I'm gonna set the whole of my face, even go over that blush with my Sephora powder in 75. I love this. It's a baked powder, so it is just so smooth and soft all over the face. So yeah, just gonna do that. Milani has me on the lip combo today. So the lip combo is in Sensual, their lipstick, and their Keep It Full glossy fount. You almost remember this in Ballet. So yeah, that is my lip combo today. Something quick and simple. Line the lips, put it in the center, cute and girly. All right, so this is my face all done. I am heading out to go and color. I'm just trying to come out of the house because I've been a stay-at-home mom again for some time, and I've just been in my routine, so I'm just finding something to do outside. So let me go do that and enjoy my evening until I pick up the little ones. So this is just a cute little look just to go outside to color. And yeah, you can just call it the mom look, the that girl mom look. So yeah, later guys, and remember to wear the best you for the world to see.